For at least a decade, virtually everyone has been using Google Analytics to monitor user behavior on sites. And love it or hate it, the fact is that Google Analytics has been pretty much uncontested in the analytics space. I mean, it's free and easy, so why wouldn't you use it? Well, actually, there are a few reasons why, and in this video, I'm covering 7 of those reasons why we decided to stop using Google Analytics at Dreamdata. The first reason is the question of data privacy regulations. You may know that several decisions have been made regarding data privacy for Google Analytics users, mainly due to concerns about GDPR compliance and the ability of Google Analytics to guarantee the handling of users' data. The second is the lack of support for multi-touch journeys. Google Analytics just doesn't provide the comprehensive view of individual users across multiple channels and multiple devices in a world where businesses interact with customers across a multitude of channels. The third reason is that Google Analytics is just not intended for B2B companies, as it doesn't support account-based journeys. Users instead are tracked as individuals, so there's no view of the company and the account as a whole. This makes it really challenging for B2Bs to have a comprehensive view of the entire B2B customer journey. The fourth reason is that Google Analytics doesn't support the long B2B customer journeys. Its attribution modeling is capped to a 90-day look-back window, which means you're unable to account for touches that take place beyond those 3 months. And in B2B, you have to think far ahead when you're planning demand or running experiments. The fifth reason is the incomplete dataset. Google Analytics doesn't integrate well with all the other sources on the complex B2B tech stack. For instance, it really matters if a company is registered in the CRM. If not, it's a new lead. If it is, then it's an existing account. The sixth reason is that Google Analytics doesn't integrate with business results. While it can track website visits and form submissions, it doesn't provide the insights into what happens afterwards, such as lead generation, opportunity creation, or deal closures. This gap between action and result makes tracking performance and success in B2B marketing extremely challenging. The seventh reason is the loss of attribution models. Google Analytics announced the deprecation of several attribution models, including first click, linear, time decay, and position-based models. From now on, only data-driven as default, last click and ads preferred last click models will be available to users. This will leave many users, especially B2B marketers, unable to see what's starting their customer journeys, which, if you ask me, is vital to performance and deciding on what to do moving forward. So what should you do now? Well, you might want to start looking for Google Analytics alternatives that better meets your unique needs. Here's 4 things to bear in mind when doing this. First, find a niche web analytics provider that meets your unique needs. For instance, mobile analytics or B2B analytics. Second, you want to make sure that the integration is as seamless as possible. Think here about the tracking script and what metrics are being reported. Fourthly, you want to know what attribution models are available and whether you have what you need to do your analysis. And finally, of course, make sure that the platform is GDPR compliant.